WUSA 9 Weather Impact is sponsored by Morgan & Morgan.
I'm meteorologist Caitlin McGrath, and we are in for another chilly and windy day on Friday. Temperatures to start off are going to be below freezing for just about everyone, right around the freezing mark in D.C. Low 30s for Andrews down near Patuxent River. Temperatures in the 20s, though, pretty much elsewhere. Mid to upper 20s from Leesburg back through Frederick, 26 in Front Royal and Manassas, 26 down through Culpeper as well. But similar to our Thanksgiving forecast, there's going to be a pretty nasty wind chill throughout the day. Wind's going to be coming in from the west-northwest, sustained between about 10 and 20 miles per hour, but gusting 20 to 25, even 30 miles per hour at times. So knock off about 10 degrees at any given point. That's what temperatures will feel like. So while temperatures struggle to make it into the upper 30s and low 40s, they really never feel warmer than the low 30s. So quite chilly as we head through your Friday forecast. Saturday, nice sunshine once again. Temperatures still only in the low 40s, but no wind. So it is going to feel more comfortable on Saturday. And at least we do have sunshine to enjoy over the next couple of days, because by Sunday, clouds thicken up early. We've got rain moving in. And for some, it will start off as some wet snowflakes early in the morning. I'm talking super early in the morning. Now, we have issued a weather impact alert from 6 a.m. until 6 p.m. for that rain. It's going to be light nuisance rain, really not exceptionally wet, but Sunday is a big travel back day. A lot of folks are going to be on the road, and I do think travel will be impacted. So plan ahead now. Give yourself some extra time if you're hitting the roads. Again, not going to be a super wet day, but it is going to be quite wet throughout the day with off and on showers, light nuisance showers, and chilly as well. Temperatures only in the low 40s. So we'll time it out using Futurecast starting with 6 o'clock Sunday morning. Again, you've got to be up early if you want to see any of these snowflakes. And I do think there'll just be some wet snowflakes mixing in. It's going to be really brief, not going to accumulate or cause any issues because it quickly flips over to rain. This is 9 a.m. Most of the area seeing, again, those light nuisance showers, not terribly wet, maybe a little bit of a mix closer to the I-81 corridor. And that's what we can kind of expect throughout the day, off and on passing showers that will start to taper off throughout the afternoon and evening. So if you are heading up to Northwest Stadium for the Commanders game, Sunday Night Football, they're taking on the Broncos. The rain is going to be ending, I think, around, if not before, game time. Still probably be pretty damp, so take a towel if you can and wipe off your seat. And it's going to be cold as well. Temperatures only in the 40s, so all of those extra layers, hat, gloves, trust me, you're going to want it all because it is going to be quite chilly for that Sunday night game. Now, as we look ahead to next week, we've got a better chance to see some winter weather on Tuesday, and it is looking like winter weather, at least for parts of our area. I do think we'll see a good burst of snow for areas north and west. So we are pretty confident on the precipitation type. I don't think it's going to be a strictly snow event. Some areas will say rain, others might see a bit of a wintry mix, and others will get snow and potentially only snow. So it is going to be a little bit of a mixed bag for Tuesday. No confidence in the totals. It all depends on the track, the temperature profile throughout the day, and the amount of precipitation we can expect. But I do think we'll see some accumulating snow across parts of the region. And to give you a little perspective, all of our computer models that we look at this far ahead of storms, because keep in mind this is on Tuesday, range from 0 inches to about a foot. So we've got a lot to fine tune ahead of Tuesday. The timing coming into a little better clarity, looking like we'll see the rain and snow develop by mid to maybe late morning and last throughout much of the day. So this is our European model. This is 9 a.m. You can see that area of low pressure working its way up the coast, bringing a split. Snow for areas north and west, rain for areas along and east of 95. This is right around lunchtime. And for some, again, this might be a purely snow event. We're talking Northern Virginia, Western Maryland, closer to the metro. Might see a little bit of cold, wet rain, but then as the storm system pulls away, it looks to drag in some colder air. So everyone around the Beltway potentially ends with some snow come Tuesday night, with rain holding steady down through parts of southern Maryland. And by Wednesday morning, the storm is long gone. But if you're a fan of winter weather, it's a storm to look forward to. We've got plenty of cold air in place. Again, it's not going to be a clean-cut snowstorm, but it is looking increasingly likely that we will see snow across at least parts of our region. Now, as we head into the first week of December, hard to believe, temperatures stay below average. Should be around 54 degrees for a high temperature, but we stay generally in the mid to low 40s all the way through next week. So right now we have the weather impact alert for Sunday for those showers early in the morning, tapering off in the afternoon, and yes, a few wet snowflakes if you're up and at them really early on Sunday. Monday, we catch a quick break and catch our breath before we track that snow and rainstorm on Tuesday. So we'll likely have to issue a weather impact alert on Tuesday as well. We'll get a little bit more data here over the next several days and be able to fine tune when we might need that alert. But that storm thankfully is a quick hitter. It's out of here by the middle part of next week, and we will have nice sunshine back by Wednesday.